Hello everyone, greetings from Serpent Consulting Services. Serpent CS is doing ERP implementation for more than 15 years and Serpent CS has been done implementation for different industries like manufacturing, retail, education, non-profit organization, e-commerce, financial institution, public sector projects as well, hospitality and pharmaceutical business. In this video, we are going to see the solar energy solution for the industry. So in this demonstration, we are going to use the CRM for managing the inquiries and opportunities, and from there we can create the quotation with the sales module. And once we receive the confirmation from the customer, then it will goes to field service for installation of the solar panel. In case of any support is required at the location of customer, then in that case we are going to use the help desk module to generate the tickets. In case of repair is required to fix the issue, then in that case we are going to use the repair module. Website is going to use for generating the inquiry. So let's start our first process of the inquiry generation. So here we have added one dedicated page for request for quotation. If any customer is interested in any of the product of the solar energy, then they can simply make the inquiry here. So not applicable, I want for my home. So once they submit it, it will generate the opportunity in the system where our salesperson will reach them. So let's jump into the CRM module. So here you can see the pipeline stage for opportunity. Any new inquiry is coming to the first in a new stage, then qualification will be done by the salesperson. In case of site survey, they will move into the site survey for the quotation, and once the confirmation is received, then it will move into the bond stage. So let's open the opportunity. So here you can see from the opportunity we can see the expected revenue, customer details, here their mobile number. From the extra information they can see the details about the address and everything. Here also we can have the campaigning source and medium, so that we can see it's generated from which source and medium, so that marketing team can check the resource for the opportunities. Here customer wanted 3 kilowatt of solar and a panel. So here we have created quotation as well, as you can see from the smart button. Here you can see the quotation has been created for the 1 kilowatt. So let's generate for this 3 kilowatt. So creating new opportunity, and here we are going to use the quotation template for a different type of solar energy systems. So here 1 kilowatt off grid, 2 kilowatt, 5 kilowatt. This is off grid, and on grid we have done the template configurations. When you select it, default pick all the component we required for the installation, and also it is also going to add the installation charge, which is going to trigger our field service task. So let's see the configuration of the quotation template. As you can see, we have created different quotation template, and here we have added a common list of product which is going to need for type of the solar system. So if you open the details about solar installation charge, then it will definitely, once the order is confirmed, then it will create a task for a serviceman in the solar installation project, and it is going to add a solar installation worksheet as well. So once the task is completed by serviceman, then we will fill the information, get the signature from the customer. Other products like a solar panel set, it is kit type of product, where we define the component that is required to be for the solar panel set. As you can see from the bill of material of kit type, we can see the different component. Idea is to manage the inventory properly for the related component for the solar panel set. Similar to that, we will have off-grid set, on-grid set, earthing kit and pillar panel set stand as well, so that we can manage the inventory properly. So let's open the one quotation. So here you can see the quotation is confirmed, and based upon the configuration of the kit type product, we have seen the delivery order is generated. for the kit type as well as the earthing kit and panel stand. Once the installation done, then definitely we have to make sure it's validated here so that we can have the inventory impact on the supply chain. And here you can see the task is being created, so that here you can see the plan date. So installation will be required on which plan date based upon the confirmation from the customer, and your team availability can change the plan date. And also you can assign the person who is going to do the installation. So let's jump into the field service model to see the better understanding. When you open the field service, you can see the task which is assigned to me. Here the plan date wise we can see the different installations is required. So here let me open one. As you can see, there is a plan on 19th of the December is completed. So let me move into the another, or maybe let's create a new, so we can complete the process. Let me confirm. So after confirmation you can see the to-dos. Here I am choosing the plan date. Let's do it today, and assign it. So once you assign it, the responsible for this person will receive the notification. Now once the serviceman start installation process, they have to click on start button so that it will start the timer, so that we can fill the timesheet as well. And once the installation process is completed, they have to make sure they will get signature from the customer. So here I will quickly fill up the information. What is the sales order number, who is handover person, who is assignee, date of installation, there is a commence date. So this is the custom worksheet template that we have designed, and here we can attach the images of the installation done, and here we have to receive the signature from the customer. So it will be linked with the task, so that, and also the task is going to link with our sales order. So we have the all traceability available here. So once the installation is completed, we can click on the stop, so that timer will be stopped here, and it will also fill the timesheet. So here we have all the details of the installation done, and it is linked with the sales order. And here we can also confirm the delivery as well, so that inventory of the products and components are managed properly. So let's see if any ticket is raised from the customer to fix any issue for the solar system. Then in that case, help desk will be helpful here. We can see that 3 tickets are open. We can click on this tickets, and if any repair is required where we have to send the person, then in that case we can create the repair order. And once we let's say the battery is required to be repaired at the location, then we can select the lot number of the battery, and we can select the responsible person who is going to fix this issue. And here we can check whether it's under warranty or not, so we can simply tick this option. In case of any part is required to be replaced, let's say the battery is required to be replaced here, in that case we can simply select the battery, and the number of unit is directly created here. And in order to create a quotation and share with the customer, simply we have to click on create quotation, and we can get the confirmation from the customer regarding the battery price. And once this is done, then they can start working on repair. So let me just start working on it, and once the repair is done, they can simply click on the end repair. So we have utilized the battery, so your battery is going to consume, as you can see the product moves. So we have consumed the battery, and once the ticket is resolved, then simply we have to move into the solve stage. So in this manner we can also manage the tickets for the supports, and for the purchase and inventory we can manage the stock. As you can see from the screen, we have the stock report of the different components and what are the on-hand quantity. In case of any purchase has been raised, then we can see the incoming, and outgoing will be depends upon number of sales order confirmed. So in this way the person can procure the components based upon the needs. In order to manage the B2B and B2C sales, we can simply create a different price list with a different price for the B2B and B2C customer, so that once you do the configuration from the customer, we can segregate them by setting up the price list in the customer information, so that we can having the proper visibility of the price list in the quotation. In this way, we can manage the whole process of solar energy system. So please check it out and let us know if you have any doubts. Then feel free to reach us. We are happy to assist you.